Today we are going to make puliyinchi. Soak tamarind in half cup of water. Cut ginger and green chilies into very thin small pieces. Add oil in a pan. Once it is hot, add ginger and green chili pieces. Fry it for around 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. After that add some curry leaves. Again fry it till it becomes very crispy. To this add tamarind pulp. Cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes. After that add jaggery into it. Again cook it. Once it gets desired consistency, switch off the stove. Our puliyinchi is ready. Thank you.